left the girl who was only broken hearted and knew the father dear. Kissed me down, mother drank the pint and beer me tea. Christmas month and up to reap the corn and leave where I was born. God has now the corn, the bun is ghost and goblets a brand new pair of brogues to rock the love of the bog. Fighting all the dog on the rocky road. Double of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to Harrington and down the rocky road. And all the ways to double and back for Aldi. In Mullingar that night I rested them so weary started way they late next morning late. And there he took the drop of the and that's the paddy side when Andy's up. I wanted to hear the lassie smile, laughing all the while. At me curious girl, you touch your heart. And probably asked me was I hired and wait as I required till I was all tired. Over the rocky road to double and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to Harrington and down the rocky road. All the way to double and back for Aldi. In double and next the road and down the top.
That's it, big man. We're done. You won. Congratulations.
Oi, we ain't done yet.
This mustn't register on an emotional level. First, distract target. Then block his blind jab. Counter with cross to left cheek. Discombobulate. Dazed, will attempt wild haymaker. Employ elbow block. And body shot. Block ferrule left. Weaken right jaw. Now fracture. Break cracked ribs. Traumatize solar plexus. Dislocate jaw entirely. Heel kick to diaphragm. In summary, ears ringing, jaw fractured, 3 ribs cracked, 4 broken, diaphragm hemorrhaging. Physical recovery 6 weeks. Full psychological recovery 6 months. Capacity to spit it back of head neutralized.